What's up? What's up? So I just wanted to show you kind of what you could do with ChatGPT. What I was talking about in regards to this is just one use case scenario. But here's an inquiry summary, right? Now I can't quite get. I was able to get ChatGPT to use this exact format and layout for the Rule 25 summary, but for some reason I was having and it took a little back and forth to get it to lay out exactly how I want the template done when I put in the answers, right? And it was able to replicate it. Like I said, it took a little bit, but I was able to do it. For some reason, the inquiry summary, it's not, I don't know. I'm either not using the prompts or command correctly, but I can't get it to put all three of these on one line because it will just do date of birth and then the next line DOC, next line LD, and it will do that and not maintain the template style for some reason. But I think it's just my prompts or command. But these are just minimal use cases, but I'm just showing just how cool this thing is. So basically, let me move my big head out of the way. So basically, you take this template, cut and paste it, come over here to ChatGPT, paste it in there, and it says appears you're trying to, and then it basically it says, so I'm gonna say take a guess, take an educated guess on what the fields are. Anyway, so it should spit it off. Based on the names, this is what it seems it should be. Date of birth, date of commitment, date of conviction, which is not drug of choice, right? Last discharge, no. So basically, I'm going to just start typing right now. I'm going to be like, DOC is drug of choice. LDU is last date of use. POR is predatory offender. Notify is predatory offender level, and whether they need to register with the community or police department. ACR is adult criminal history, mental health, physical medications, allergies, ROI, and then I must have used an old template. So then, can you please change ROI insurance to ROI case manager? Boom. See what it does. Sure. Here's the revised information. Date of birth, drug of choice, last date of use. Oh, intensive, I forgot that. Jeez Louise. IV is whether they use intravenously. I didn't probably spell that right. But everything else, I must have missed that. So now it's spitting everything. It changed it, my case manager thing. Next up, I'm going to give it this. Understood. And then it's going to spit it back to me. So now that I have all that, it should be good. Name of location. It's running a little slow today. There's a lot of people on there. Normally it just spits this out super quick. All right. All right, so now that it's spit out my whole template, super slow, slower than normal, but just to show you, now basically what you could do, right, if we didn't have the template, one of two ways I'm going to show you. Obviously, we could just literally do this. 0511, I'm just going to use my information, comma, or I should use a semicolon, meth, semicolon, 0802 2017 is my sobriety date. No. Jail. I'm just going to use my last jail that I was in, or my main one, Scott County Jail. Charges. I'm just going to put 5th degree. That was my last degree. Possession. Semicolon. No. For predatory, hopefully it picks that up. We'll see. And no for no. And A for court dates. It might not pick this up. I'm gonna say blue. No, I have UCare, PMAP. Yeah, don't question me. No disqualifiers. Mental health, none. Physical health, I'm going to put Crohn's disease. Medications, none. Well, let me put Inflectra. Inflectra. Not sure. Inflect. I'm not even sure how to spell that drug. Oh, that's right. Allergies, none. I'm going to put Jeffrey Kennedy. Horrible. And that's it for release. And then oh yeah, none. No, for family members I'm going to put Kevin Towers. None for case managers. Next step, send out employment application, because we want this boy to work for us. Just kidding. I'm being funny, but you know, send out conditional acceptance. We'll just, I put slash send out. Being funny. Send. What? Come on. Out conditional accept letter. All right, let's plug it in and see how well it does. Got my date of birth, meth, last date of use, IV, no, Scott County Jail, 5th degree possession for charges, PR, no, notified, no, cool, Rule 25, NA, court dates, NA, insurance, you care, ACR, no disqualifiers, none for mental health, Crohn's disease for physical health, medication is my Inflectra, allergies, none, ROI, Jeffrey Kennedy for the attorney, no PO, family member, Kevin Towers, case manager, no. Next step, send out freaking application. I should have been employment application and conditional acceptance letter. Did I not put, yeah, send out. It missed employment. So there are little things that it might miss. Send out status application, and it did employment application. So sometimes you ask it, why, you know, I don't know. I don't want to argue with it, but as you can see how great that is now. You might be like, big deal. Well, you type in that anyways. Well, I don't, you know, and I could tab. But I'm just saying, could you imagine the amount that you could do? Now, I mean, just the sheer volume you could do just by me. All I have to do is type in those responses, or at most, then just edit these and be like, oh, you know, backslash, without having to literally click or whatever. Now, granted, on the inquiry summary, I can just tab. For most of it, I can tab over, so not a huge deal. But just imagine this. Okay, let me. Did I delete it? So, whoops. Google Docs. So this was supposed to already be up. Bear with me. So, blank. So we come here. To format. Oh no, tools. Voice typing. Now watch. What if we were to do this? So I could just use this. Use my little handy dandy pinner. Pin this. Oops. So it stays up top. Why is this not working? Enter pin mode. Bam, let's pin that just so I can see what's going on here. So, whoops. All right. Okay, so then what if we had speech to text? And I just went like this. 5/11/79. Meth. April 2nd, 2017. No. Scott County Jail. 5th degree possession. No. NA. No. No. UCare PMAP. No disqualifiers. None. Crohn's disease. Inflectra. None. Jeffrey Kennedy. None. Kevin Towers. None. Send out employment application and conditional acceptance letter. Then cut and paste this. Let me unpin this. And then paste that in here. I don't know why. Did I say April? I probably said April 2nd instead of August 2nd. That's what I get. Did I? I did say April 2nd. August 2nd. Other than that, boom. Let me open this up so you can see it. Date of birth, got meth. I spoke. It's August 2nd, 2017. I'm moving. No. Scott County Jail. 5th degree possession. No. No. NA. It probably should have been reversed. Court dates, NA. I could have probably put a court date. Insurance. UCare PMAP. No disqualifiers. None. Crohn's. Inflectra. Allergies. Jeffrey Kennedy. None. Family members. Send out employment application. What? What? Stop it. Stop it. Get out of here. Anyways, so hopefully you listen to me in 2x, but I mean, this is just one small tool, right? Maybe not, like I said, like, this is just like something that we're necessarily going to do for inquiry summaries. No, you know what I mean? And inquiry summaries are more apt as far as being able to do it because we're just putting in information. We don't have a name here on the inquiry summaries, right? But I don't know. I'm just showing you one little aspect that I noticed with this. Now, and of course, like I've been kind of dealing with this. So like I said, it's like being a machinist, setting up your tool. Like, yeah, you have to set up the AI to, sometimes tell it or condition it to what it is that you want. But once you get it there, then you can just keep throwing in information. And so, again, I am super blown away with this technology, what it can do. But I just wanted to show you. And yeah, I'm out.